Susan Winter here with exciting new news. I have a new product for you, and I am so happy about this. Older women, younger men dating guide. Yes, if you are in an age gap relationship, you know the questions and the concerns you have are vastly different than anyone else out there. And only somebody who has lived that life, walked that path can help you. I have an older woman, younger man dating guide, not just set for the older women that might be dating or involved with a younger man, but for the younger men who love them, who either are attracted to an older woman and not sure how to make their move, or with an older woman and trying to figure out how to integrate the lifestyles and the financial backgrounds. So, this is your one stop shopping on demand, the free app that comes with the purchase of the Older Woman, Younger Men Dating Guide, which is the compilation of all of my work in this field. That means all the videos on YouTube, all of the interviews that you've never heard, all of the written material. The AI will automatically take you to the exact thing that you want to hear, read, see. Absolutely. It is quick, it's efficient, and it's on sale for the next 4 days. And it is so inexpensive considering what it is. So don't suffer and wonder. Don't discount a love that could be. And don't live in confusion. And don't ask friends that haven't been there. Take it from the source, somebody who has been there, lived it, and wants to help you. Older Women, Younger Men Dating Guide, available now, so check it out.